Vasco Translator M3 is a premium voice translator. It's the latest voice translator from Vasco Electronics. It's the successor to the famous Vasco Mini 2, one of the best electronic translators found today, and winner of the GSMA's 2020 Global Mobile Award for Best Connected Consumer Device. And keeping that trend, the Vasco Translator M3 was the winner of the Red Dot Design Award 2021. In this movie, we'll compare these two devices. We'll show you all the Vasco Translator M3 improvements and new features compared to the Vasco Mini 2. Let's start with the size of the devices. We can see that there are some changes. The Mini 2 is a little bit smaller. Vasco Translator M3 is still thin and handy. Thanks to its bigger size, the screen is also bigger. In the Mini 2, we have a resource of over 50 languages. That's a lot. But the M3 already has more than 70 languages to choose from. The new languages include Afrikaans, Albanian, and Macedonian. In the Mini 2, users have free, lifetime internet in over 150 countries. It was the first voice translator with such an offer. In the M3, there are nearly 200 countries around the world you can use this device in. The list of supported countries include destinations such as Indonesia, Panama, Congo, and Madagascar. The full list of countries can be found on the interactive map on the Vasco Electronics website, and it's still free, unlimited internet for a lifetime. All instant voice translators require an internet connection to work. The Vasco Mini 2 and the Vasco Translator M3 has built-in international SIM card that allows for free and unlimited use of the internet for translations. There are no monthly charges, no renewal fees, no limits, and is absolutely free for life, unlike any other device on the market. The main function of these devices is the voice translator. The Mini 2 won the GSMA's 2020 Global Mobile Award for Best Connected Consumer Device. Judges described the Vasco Mini 2 as a smart and specific product that understands its niche target market. This company has kept it simple and focused on making it work well, which are good working principles. But the M3 has completely new features, such as the photo translator, which understands any printed text by showing the translation on the scanned image itself using the inbuilt camera. The Translate Call feature gives you the ability to translate phone calls. M3 will translate both what the caller says and what you're saying. It's the world's first and only telephone calls translator. Multi-Talk, a meeting and conference translator allowing multilingual translations for groups of up to 100 participants. Learning app. This is based on a well-proven flashcards method elevated to new heights. This smart app will be your personal tutor in vocabulary and pronunciation. Saving and sharing translations through the email. A flashlight, a useful and unique feature for such a device. The Mini 2 comes in only one color version, silver. The M3 has a stylish design and a wide range of colors as listed here. Arctic White, Black Pearl, Blue Ocean, Mint Leaf, Green Forest, and Desert Rose. In the Mini 2, you have to choose the languages to translate by scrolling the entire list. The M3 has voice recognition to select the language. You don't have to scroll the whole language list. You just tap the voice recognition icon on the screen to select the language you need. The differences can also be seen in the speech recognition buttons. They are completely different in the M3. New shape, lighting, designed for the convenience of use under your finger. Thanks to these buttons, the translations are quick and intuitive. We see that there are many differences between the Vasco Mini 2 and the Vasco Translator M3. The M3 is definitely an improved, more advanced and multifunctional device. The M3 has over 70 languages, free internet for translations in almost 200 countries, and many more features like the Translate Call, photo translator, saving and sharing translations, multi-talk, voice recognition to select language of translation, modern look, and 6 colors to choose from. The Vasco Mini 2 is a device focused only on translating conversations. A much smaller number of functions translates into exceptional ease of use. Vasco Mini 2 has over 50 languages to choose from and a lifetime of free internet for translations in over 150 countries. If you are looking for a high-quality voice translator with a large selection of languages and translation features, and you don't want to worry about the internet at the same time, the M3 is right for you. but if you need a simple and reliable device for translations only, the Vasco Mini 2 will be a good choice for you. Inside the box for the Vasco Mini 2, you have the Mini 2 translator device, a charger suitable for your country of origin, a micro USB to USB charging cable, a very nice protective case with compartments inside, and a user manual that is translated in over 20 languages. Inside the box for the Vasco Translator M3, you have the Translator M3 device, a silicone protective case for the device, a wrist strap for carrying the device, a charger suitable for your country of origin, a USB-C to USB charging cable, a quick start guide with the primary user manual being online only. Finally, here is a short summary highlighting the key differences between the Vasco Mini 2 and the Vasco Translator M3. Visit the Vasco Electronics website for more information.